Welcome to the Flange Bearing Guard Overview video. Flange Bearing Guard is a quick and easy cap guard that prevents contact with rotating shafts on flange mount bearings. Access the grease nipple without removing the entire guard. Flange bearing guards easily mount to the bearing assembly. Slots in the guard allow for the inspection of the shaft while the equipment is running. Flange bearing guards are compact, lightweight, and sectional in design. Our guards are customized to your flange bearing sizes. Heavy-duty steel construction and powder coated for increased durability. Shipped fully assembled and ready to install.